guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, I'm Hunter. I make videos on fashion, veganism, and a bunch of other cool things. So definitely make sure you subscribe and join the family. So in today's video, I'm going to be pretty much just talking to you guys about my experience with putting on fake nails. As you guys know, I literally struggle with growing out my nails. I just have a problem. This isn't actually my first time putting on fake nails. I've done it 2 other times, but this was my first time putting on like real fake nails, if you know what I mean. I put on like the stick-on nails before, like the stick-on fake nails or whatever, and it was so bad. Like, I'm so bad at putting them on. So I decided to buy a kit, and it just came with a bunch of nails. So I'm a professional now, I think. The glue is also a step up from what I was using before. Before it was just cheap glue and it didn't really work. This was definitely a struggle, but learning experience for sure. Anyways, I'm going to have my Instagram and Snapchat on the screen here, so if you want to go follow me, you totally should. I've been posting a ton on Instagram and Snapchat stories, so if you're into that kind of stuff, you should definitely go follow me. My Snapchat is always really weird. Anyways, make sure you give this video a thumbs up and turn on post notifications. That would honestly mean the world to me. YouTube has been a little weird recently, and videos haven't been going to subscription boxes, so definitely make sure you hit that bell. Anyways, without further ado, let's just go ahead and get started. By the way, we are not having a good hair day today, so please don't mind that. So I actually got this nail kit from Target the other day, and it was kind of like a last minute buy. I was like, oh, I want to do my nails nice for something that's going on this week. So I was like, oh, I'll just buy them. So the brand is Kiss, and it's just 100 full, there's 100 in there? Apparently there's 100 nails in this box. I didn't realize how many there were. And they are the size short square. They had other sizes, but these are just the ones that I thought looked nice. And I'm not really a fan of like super long nails just because I can barely handle these, and editing wise, I just can't imagine trying to edit with super long nails. So anyways, this is what the package looks like. It just has the glue right there, and it comes out the back of the box. So exciting. The nails itself are clear, which kind of stinks. I wish they came in white because that's the color I was going for, and I feel like painting over white with any color would just look so much better than sheer. I was actually battling between painting them white or like a really bright yellow, but I just thought white matched my aesthetic better, so that's what I chose. I'm still not the best at putting on fake nails. I did struggle with these a ton. There's literally glue all over my hands right now, which kind of sucks, but oh well. There's also a bunch of paint, like I painted this hand pretty fine. I would say it's okay. And then when I got to this hand, since I'm right-handed, I literally just painted over my fingers. I gave up. But I took it off with nail remover almost, and I think it looks fine. So the nail polish that I use is this Sally Hansen Hard as Nails, and it's in white. And I've been using this for years. As you can tell, there's white nail polish all around the top. I actually took this from my mom's house because me and my sister have this huge nail polish shelf thing on our wall. So I just took a white color that we had. That is what I used to paint these nails. I did do a couple of layers just because the first layer was okay. It wasn't that sheer, but I missed some spots and it looked a little streaky. So I decided to go over that again. So first of all, before I even started painting, the first step I did was I decided to pick out all the sizes that I need. Because there are 100 nails in there, and my original thought was I was going to paint them before I put them on, which was a really bad idea. It was so hard to like grip it and paint it. It was just, I don't even know what I was thinking. Anyways, with that being said, I decided to pick out the nails that I needed for each finger, so it would make my life easier, and yeah. I picked out the nails, and then I decided to glue them on, and that is when everything started going to crap. First of all, I'm not really that much of a fan of this glue. It is definitely better than those like other fake nails, like the cheaper ones. The ones that don't come in a kit, the nail glue is not that great. They fall off pretty easily. This nail glue definitely works. My fingers were sticking to each other and it was kind of painful like taking them apart, but I mean, these aren't gonna fall off. So what I did, I didn't want to put the glue right on my nail. I decided to put them on the fake nail and then stick it onto my finger. And I found that that works way better than just putting the glue on your nail. I thought about filing down the nails just because they're a little rough, like how they came in the box, but your girl's lazy and didn't do that. Plus, I'm pretty sure I don't know where my fingernail filer is. Yeah, I don't know where that is, so I mean, it looks fine. So after I put on the nails, I just painted them. And like I said, this hand was fine because I'm right-handed and it's fine. So it looks pretty good, I would say. Maybe like an 8 out of 10. And this hand looks great from a distance. If you look at it up close, it's a little rough. There are definitely texture to the nails from me touching them and smudging them and the brush strokes. This side's just not looking good. Anyways, the excess nail polish is gonna wash off in a couple days, so I'm not too worried about that. But I really like them. I've always wanted white nails, and I've always wanted nails to begin with, so this is cool. I don't know why, I just feel more girly with nails, I guess, because my nails are never like this. Maybe like one day out of the year. So this is really cool, it's something different, and I'm so excited to be taking pictures in these. So last time when I had fake nails on, to remove them, they usually just fell off within a couple days. I don't know how these are gonna go, probably a week or so, maybe 2 weeks. But if you are desperate to take them off, what I usually do, I don't know if this is like the right way to go about it, but I just take a bowl and I just put nail polish remover in it. I don't know why I couldn't remember that. And then basically I will just soak my fingers in the little bowl of nail polish remover for about 20 to 30 minutes. This doesn't pop them off or anything. What it does is it just loosens the glue in between the nail, the fake nail and the real nail, and then it just makes it easier so you can just take it off. That's what I do. I know there's plenty of other ways. I've seen people like wrap tinfoil around them or like use cotton swabs. So if those methods I just talked about don't work for you, definitely Pinterest some stuff up. Pinterest is amazing. I also don't know how much these were. I want to say around $6. I honestly have no clue. I know it wasn't super expensive, but it wasn't like cheap like the other fake nail packages. So yeah, once again, I just got these at Target, and actually, not only do they have other sizes, they also have other colors, and I was actually debating whether or not I should get matte black or white. When I say white, I mean clear because I planned on making them white. But honestly, they have so many cool things, and the matte black looks so nice. I was shook. But I'm kind of excited that there's over 100 in here. I literally did not know that at all. And I'm so excited. I think the next color I'm gonna do is definitely yellow. You guys should comment what color I should do next. But yeah, honestly, I am so in love with these. And this was probably a really random video to make, but I just thought it'd be really cool to record. Anyways, that's the end of this video. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Also, you guys should comment what color your nails are right now because I would really like to know. I'm just curious and I really want to know. Anyways, I love you all so much and I will see you in my next video. Love ya!